Sabre is me, Reese, DK, Closing USD. We brought on Sneeko as a partner. He has tons of reach, mainstream, authority, and so we thought that would be great. But why did Sneeko partner with us and not other people? He's a big brand, right? Obviously, he could reach out to other people. Let's make this business because we're being so authentic that the influence is raw. I'm talking about I could have you a bottle of Sabre in any state without shipping it to you. I know somebody that's next to you that has a bottle of Sabre that knows me and will do a favor for me and go and drop it off to you. Hey, Sneeko has a stream in Arizona. How can we get Sneeko a bottle of Sabre? One phone call. Sneeko has the bottle of Sabre. So it's just about influence. I can only do that because I'm being so real and raw that people will listen to me. I'll sit here and tell you, hey, I'm racist, xenophobic, homophobic, transphobic, whatever phobic, all the isms. I have all the isms. And you do too, but you're lying. Even if it's less than me, because obviously I'm a radical, and that's why everybody loves me, because I'm a radical, right? But the reason why, I'm just going to acknowledge it. I'm not gonna sit here and say, no, everybody should have equal, because that's not how it exists in the real world.
Yeah, it's not reality.
In the real world, I have a competitive advantage.
Look, the competitive advantage is being real, being authentic. How many times do me and you look at somebody's page on the internet instantly? This guy's a snake. Instantly. Why do you think? Look, we have a certain amount of influence in a certain sector of the online world. We're by no means celebrities yet, but you would be absolutely amazed if you saw the opportunities that came across our desk on the back end, the type of people who are sending us DMs, the people we're in contact with. And it's because they come to us because they can feel how real we are. 100%. We're not these dudes that are fake flexing everything. We're real in everything we do, and you can feel that through a screen. When someone writes words on a screen, I can tell whether or not that's a real dude or whether he's faking it. And that's the reason why we're able to do seemingly incredible things in such short amount of time, is authenticity.